Have you ever had a feeling that there is something bigger, mysterious out there, something you can't see? Well, there is. It is called dark matter. Dark matter is one of the mysteries in the astronomy field because it is still not discovered whether it is existing or not. Dark matter is a term astronomers use to describe material in the universe that does not emit or reflect light and is therefore invisible. Stars, nebula, and galaxies are examples of luminous matter, which can be seen and are beautifully twinkling in the night sky. However, luminous matter appears to make up only a small amount of all the matter in the universe, perhaps up to 4.9%. Dark matter is estimated to proportionate 26.8%, and rest of them are considered as dark energy. So, how do we know if dark matter exists or not since it cannot be seen with our eyes? In fact, some people believe that they exist because existence is confirmed in many different ways. One technique that can detect dark matter is called gravitational lensing. This happens between an observer and distant source or background galaxy. The galaxy will appear shifted as if it was coming from different places. All refracted light will form a ring or small arcs. When refracted light comes through an observer's eye, they will form a false image while there is a real image that cannot be seen directly by observer. In observer's position, they can only see two sources which are both false images created by refracted light. Another evidence that proves dark matter's existence is because of galactic clusters. Fritz Zwicky, a Swiss astronomer, was the first who suspected the existence of dark matter in 1933. He was trying to measure the mass of a galactic cluster, which is a group of several galaxies. He tried to infer this mass from the speed of galaxies. Galaxies are held together in a spinning galactic cluster by a gravitational force created by the matter it contains, just like kids on a merry-go-round have to hold on tight in order to stay on. If there were not enough matter to create this gravitational force, the galaxies will simply scatter and the stars will fly up to the space, just like kids who didn't hold on tight while riding the merry-go-round. By comparing his result with the mass evaluated from the light the galaxies had, he realized that there was more matter in the cluster than what was visible. Finally, this is the last evidence proving dark matter's existence. In the 1970s, American astronomer Serah measured the speed of stars in rotating galaxies and observed that stars in spinning galactic cluster were all radiating at almost same speed, no matter their distance to the galactic center. This was as if the stars were not rotating around the visible center of the galaxy, but around invisible centers providing additional gravitational pull. This could only happen when huge amounts of invisible dark matter filled the entire galaxy. Even though there are more evidences that proves dark matter's existence, some scientists do not believe that they exist. It is still a mystery that has not been solved. What do you think? Do you think that dark matter exists or not?